Hello everyone, welcome to Mega Solver. Today we are going to learn how to find out interior as well as exterior angle of a polygons or any regular polygons. So as we know that there are many different type of polygons like as regular polygons, irregular polygons, simple polygons, complex polygons. So we discuss in brief about all these polygons. Then we are move ahead to learn about how to find out interior as well as exterior angle of a regular polygons. Suppose there are a regular polygons. Regular polygons are a polygons which having all sides as well as interior angles are same. For example, this is a polygon which having a pentagons and all the interior angles are having same. Suppose this angle is having interior angle 108 degree. So this is also having 108 degree. Suppose this length is having x meter. So this length is also having x meter. Another type of polygon is a irregular polygons. Irregular polygons are having all sided as well as all interior angles are different. Interior angles as well as exterior angles are different. For example, this is a irregular type of a polygons which having all angles interior as well as exterior angle are different. Suppose there is 135 degree, there is 120 degree and there is 151 degree, and all these angles are having different as well as side length are also having different. So this is a example of irregular polygons. And another type of polygon is a simple polygon. Simple polygons are that polygons which are not intersect itself. And another type of polygon is a complex polygon. Complex polygon are polygons that are intersect itself. For example, this is the simple polygons, and in simple polygons that side are not intersect to itself, but these polygons are intersecting to itself. So this is the basic fundamental about the type of polygons like as regular polygons, irregular polygons, simple polygons and complex polygon. Now we are move ahead to learn about how to find out interior as well as exterior angle of a regular polygons. So basically we are focused here for a regular polygons. Okay. So now we are going to learn about interior angle of any regular polygons. So this is the a regular polygons, regular pentagon type a polygons. So how we calculate sum of interior angle? So basically by using this formula we can calculate the interior angle of a polygons. So by using this formula we can calculate the interior angle of polygon which is having 180 in bracket n minus 2, where n is showing number of side of polygon. Suppose this is a pentagon and there is having 5 number of side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we will put 5 in place of n. So we will get sum of interior angle of a polygon for this type of polygon like a pentagon. And if you want to calculate interior angle of a regular polygon, so how you calculate? Where I show the interior angle of a polygons. So by using this formula which is having 180 in bracket n minus 2 upon n, by putting value of n in this equations, so we will get interior angle of a regular polygons. Suppose this is a pentagon and having number of side 5, so we will put 5 in place of n. So in this equation we will put here 5 in place of n. So by calculating these equations, so we will get 108 degree. So if a pentagon having regular type of polygons, so interior angle of a pentagon having 108 degree. And now this is the a pentagon which all having interior angle 108 degree. So this is a regular type of polygons. Suppose we want to calculate exterior angle of a regular polygons. So how we can calculate? This is the regular polygons, pentagon type regular polygon, and we want to calculate this exterior angle. Before that I calculated interior angle. Now we will going to calculate the exterior angle. So here we denoted exterior angle as E, symbol E. Okay. So exterior angle of a regular polygon we will calculate it by using these equations, which is 180 minus I. I is showing that interior angle of a polygons. That means I is the interior angle of a polygons. So suppose this is angle is having 180 degree. If we will subtract I from 180, then we will get the exterior angle, that is E value. And we know that I is having 180 in bracket n minus 2 upon n. So by putting this value in place of I, we will get a new equation which is having 180 minus 180 in bracket n minus 2 upon n. So by putting value of n in this equations, we will calculate directly exterior angle of any regular polygons. So by putting here 5 in place of n, so we will get the exterior angle of a pentagon. So in this equation, I have putting value of 5 in place of n. So we will get 180 minus 108. So we will get 72 degree. So a pentagon is having exterior angle 72 degree, and we can calculate this exterior angle also another method, like as E is showing the exterior angle of any regular polygons, which is denoted as a 360 upon n. N is showing number of side of polygons. So if we put here 5 in place of n, then we will get 72 degree. So exterior angle of any regular polygon we can calculate by using two method. One is the this method, and another is the this method. So by using these two methods, we can calculate the exterior angle of any regular polygons. For example, we have seen another type of polygons, how to calculate interior as well as exterior angle of another type of polygons. Let's say we are moving forward to see the another example. Suppose I have this type of polygons which having number of side 6. So here we will put n is equal to 6. Okay. So if you want to calculate sum of interior angle of polygon, so by using this equation 180 in bracket n minus 2, we can calculate the sum of interior angle of polygons. So here we will putting 6 in place of n, then we will get 720 degree, which is the sum of the interior angle of polygons. Suppose there is the interior angle and interior angle. If we adding all these angle, then we will get the sum of interior angle of polygons. But if you want to calculate the interior angle of polygon, so how we can calculate? By using this equation, which is 180 in bracket n minus 2 upon n. Here we will put 6 in place of n. So we will get 180 in bracket 6 minus 2 upon n. By solving this equation, we will get 120 degree, which is the interior angle of this type of polygon, which is a hexagon type of polygon. Suppose if you want to calculate exterior angle of polygon, so by using this equation, we can calculate 180 minus 120, where as before we calculated just before interior angle of this polygon, which is having value 120 degree. So we will put 120 in place of I, then we will get 60 degree. And we can also calculate exterior angle by using this formula, which is 360 upon n. So we will put 6 in place of n, then we will get 60 degree also. Another example. Suppose we have this type of a polygon which having number of side 8. Okay, so we will put 8 in place of n. Suppose we want to calculate sum of interior angle of this polygon. So by using this equation, we can calculate. We have found 1080 degree is the sum of interior angle of this type of polygon. If you want to calculate interior angle of a polygon, by using this equation, we will put here 8 in place of n. So we will get 180 in bracket 8 minus 2 upon 8. So finally we will get 135 degree, which is the interior angle of this polygon, that is 135 degree. Okay. And if you want to calculate exterior angle of this type of polygon, then we will find out by using this equation 180 minus I, where I is the interior angle of polygons. So here we will put 135 in place of I, then we will get 45 degree, which is the exterior angle of a polygon, yani external angle of a polygons. And we can also calculate this value by using this equation, which is having E is equal to, where E is the external angle of polygon, 360 upon n. By putting 8 in place of n, we will get 45 degree. So we can calculate exterior angle by two method. One is this method, and another is this method. By using these two different methods, we can calculate the exterior angle of any regular polygons. But if you want to calculate the internal angle of any regular polygon, so by using this formula, we can calculate the interior angle of any regular polygons.